How do we know when research is too limited to provide good evidence? Not all research is created equal. Some studies aren't sufficiently inclusive to provide good guidance to policymakers. So my team and I work to improve research methods to help make evidence better and more inclusive. Researchers generally do a good job randomizing the participants in a sample they're studying, but sometimes they may miss certain portions of the population entirely. For example, if a population has both urban and rural schools and a research sample only looks at urban schools, the results may not account for key differences. In my research, I look at randomized control trials called RCTs to see how researchers can design their studies better. What I found is that RCTs in education currently suffer from 3 issues. First, district size. Researchers prefer larger school districts. Fully 50% of education research is done in large cities. Next, distance. Conducting education research requires frequent travel to gather data in schools. For this reason, researchers tend to pick schools within driving distance of their offices. Finally, geography. Most education studies are done on the coasts, in places like California and Florida. Now, to be clear, all of this is completely understandable. Researchers aren't trying to exclude anyone, but location and convenience naturally play a part in where and how researchers conduct their studies. What my work seeks to do is first understand these common research problems, and then second, develop new methods and tools to account for them. These tools are free and publicly available to help researchers design better RCTs. For example, the Generalizer is a web tool researchers can use to develop recruitment plans that allow them to represent the relevant population for their study. Already, the Generalizer has helped design a study in North Carolina to complement a study in Maine, making the full sample much more representative of the U.S. population of schools. We believe that with better understanding and tools, we can help make research evidence more relevant to policymakers and more applicable to more communities.